Namaskar. Step into channel once again with the energetic. So part 1, 2, 3, those who did not watch, go through the description. The links are given. Now here it is part 4 of our sets for polyset and various competitive examinations. So some of the questions I have given, we had to go through it now. So K and L are the sets given, then you had to determine K intersection L. K, the set of common elements. But here K and L are not given directly, they are given in the set builder form. So x such that x is a multiple of 3 and y such that y is a factor of 18. So multiple of 3 nothing but 3 ones, 3 twice, 3 threes, 3 fours, so on. So that is very easy. Now here let us list out L here. Elements of L 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Set of multiples of 3 are infinite in number. So they are asking K intersection L. So now the common elements K and L, nothing but anyhow A is not possible and this also not possible, anyhow not possible, and finally this one is our D option. Okay. So the set of all common elements for K and L, since there are infinite in number, I did not list it out. Okay. So in 30 seconds you can do it. Next, pick out the finite set from this. So let us recall finite set, nothing but the set of elements which are countable in a set is said to be finite set. Multiples of 24, you know very well there are infinite multiples for a given number. Set of integers, infinite integers, negative, positive along with 0. Next, divisors of 2020. For a given natural number, there exists finite countable number of divisors. So this is not possible, this is not possible. Let us check, sometimes D may happen. So rational numbers between 2 and 3. So in the 8th standard, you know very well, for the rational numbers between any two rational numbers, there exists infinite number of rational and irrational numbers. That is called property of density. So nothing but this is not possible. Finally this one. So finite sets. So C option. So first and second one, with the basic knowledge of number theory, number system, you can able to do this. Next, see if A union B is equal to B, then ABCD options. This plays important role, very important question. Already we done many videos. So just recall it and go through it. Anyhow, from ABCD options, A is suited. So like this. First question, second question, and here it is our third question. So 3 questions we have been discussed. Once you have the look, so here D option, here it is C, and here it is A option. Let us go through remaining some more 2 questions. So you have got the idea of first 3. Next, fourth one, n of A is given and here n of B is given, where A and B are disjoint sets. If the number of elements, there are no common elements between the two sets, then they are said to be disjoint. Then here you have to find n of A union B. Okay. So formula connecting the given relation is nothing but n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So anyhow this is 0, since they are given, here it is disjoint. So number of common elements, there is no common elements. So this implies, this we treat it as a sum x. So x is equal to n of A 5, this is 8. So finally n of A union B is nothing but here it is 13. Just in 20 or 30 seconds we can close it. So here it is A option. So coming to fifth one, C and D are the two sets given. C is x such that x is a prime, D y such that y is an even natural number, then C intersection D. So there are infinitely many primes and here y is an even natural number and natural number. So this is nothing but our D is nothing but here it is 2 and here it is nothing but 2, 3, 5, so on will be. So they asked C intersection D. So common elements are nothing but here 2. So here it is B option. Okay. So like this we can overcome 4th and 5th problems. This is also important for your board examinations. First 3 plays crucial role for your polyset and competitive examinations. Once you have this look also. So finally done. See you in the next video sessions. Bye.